In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey on AliExpress. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to online marketplaces, having a secure account is essential. So, let's dive in and make sure your account is as secure as possible. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to the AliExpress website. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with the homepage that's bustling with a variety of products and deals. But before you get lost in scrolling through the endless categories of gadgets, clothing, or home goods, there's another task at hand. We need to focus on your account security. Now, locate the account icon, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will direct you into your personal account space. This area is your command center, where you can manage orders, view your cart, and most importantly for today's focus, adjust your account settings. Once inside your account, the next step is to venture into the settings section. In the settings menu, you'll find various options, but we're interested in those that pertain to security. It's crucial to ensure that your personal and financial information is well protected, minimizing any potential risks or hassles. From the settings, look for the section labeled Passkey or 2FA. Two-factor authentication or 2FA adds a crucial layer of security. It essentially means that besides your password, you will need a second element, often a code sent to your phone to access your account. This makes it significantly harder for anyone who isn't you to gain access. Once you've clicked into the passkey or 2FA section, search for the option that says Create a Passkey. It might be a phrase you're familiar with or a feature you've used on other platforms. A passkey can replace passwords and offers a streamlined, secure way to log in. Follow the prompts to create your new passkey. This might involve entering a few personal details to verify your identity, followed by choosing a passkey. Consider making it unique but memorable to you, something that you won't easily forget but isn't easily guessed by others. Once set, your account will now have an enhanced level of protection, giving you peace of mind each time you log in. And there you have it, a straightforward way to secure your AliExpress account through the use of a passkey. It's a small yet mighty step in ensuring your online shopping experience is safe and secure. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy shopping and stay secure.